Hello viewers, today I got 2018 Toyota Camry Hybrid, and if you can see, the door lock is like this. It's not opening from outside, but if I open it up from inside, I can open the door. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on this car here. First of all, I'm going to take this trim out from here. That's a cover, and I got one screw here at the back. I'm going to take this out as well. Just pull it out. That has a clip there that goes in here. And I'm going to take window regulator master switch out. Just pull it up and slide it back. That's a clip that goes in here. So I removed this one. You got a screw here. Now I'm gonna pull this up. That's out. Two screws. I took it off. Just put your knee here, hold it and pull it out gently. That's out. Now this is for your door lock and this is for door opener. So this was your door opener and this is for your door lock. So I'm going to take these out. Just pull them out. One clip here and one clip here and one clip at the bottom. So this is out. So what I'm going to do is to lift the window up. For this rail, if you can see this rail that is in front of the door lock, the door lock is behind this channel. So I'm going to take these two bolts out and remove the channel. This clip was in there and these two bolts, it was like this. So I took it off. So now there is only rubber left. And I'm going to use T30 to remove the door lock, but before that I'm going to take the plug out. That's out. So now I'm going to slide the lock out. So it looked like somebody played with it before. So now I'm going to fix this thing. I'm going to take this cover out. And if you can see T30 here, I'm just going to lose that one and I'm going to pull the lock out. If you can see from inside here, there is a clip that was sitting like this in these locks. So from top and the bottom I pulled it out. So now I'm going to, because the door lock was not sitting properly into the lock as well, and that's causing me trouble as well. Okay, that's out. You have a sensor here underneath. That's the plug for that one. That sends the battery that you got the battery. And when you put your hand in here, it unlocks the car. So first I'm going to check the lock, if the lock is working or not. So I'm just going to put the plug back in. press the button here, this one that tells the car that the door is closed. And now I'm going to use lock and unlock. If you can see, the door lock is working, everything is good. So now I'm going to put the lock in first. So the lock gonna go take this door mirror channel on the side and the lock on its place, and make sure that you have here plug here, this one here. One thing I forget to show you, so I'm going to open it again. If you can see here, that's the lever for the door lock. So put this door lock lever into that door lock lever, gonna go in here in this place. When you pull the handle, this gonna press down and unlock the door. If you can see, this one is in here now. So this is done, and we can check it again by pressing the door switch and see this should move in and out with door lock unlock. So the door lock is working normal. So I'm going to put the door lock in first. For the manual lock unlock system. So I'm going to confirm from inside, it's sitting in there. So I'm going to check this system now. Press this button on the side, pull the key out and put it here. So that's working, if you can hear. So this system is all good. Now I'm going to put the door handle back in. If you can see this one, this is gonna come down here, and that is going to lock in. This lock is gonna go in there. So when you're gonna pull this thing out with the handle, it's gonna unlock the door. So I have to press it in. Now I hold this one here, and I'm going to slide this one so that's in. I'm going to put the plug in. You can lock the door first. Put this back in, that's locked, and now I'm going to put the plug back in there. So the plug is in, that is good. The lock is done, and now I'm going to check it that what I have. The lock, it's working. So now I'm going to put everything back together. A little bit of CRC here to slide the rubber in. That is in now, and I'm going to put the bring the wires back out. Put these 1, 2, and 3 clips back on. It's in. For doing it easily, I'm going to bring the mirror down. Take the plug back out. So this is for your lock. That's gonna go here, and this is for the door opening. That's gonna go here that unlocks the door, and this is lock unlock system, and just route the wires. Always put this thing first here on the top. Just all the clips are in. I'm going to put these both screws, big screws back that hold the trim. Now I'm going to put this trim back that's gonna go in here. Door handle screws, that's in. So this is just clip in here, here and here. I'm going to just put it there and press it down. All done. This clip is going here in this hole. That's it. And I'm going to put the plugs. This is going to slide in here like this, and see, this gonna go here and this clip gonna go here. That's it. So everything is working. We are going to put this one back in, and that's all done. Thank you.